What's up and welcome. It's Matthew here, the designer and developer. This is a series of videos where I'm diving deep into React navigation using its documentation from top to bottom. In the previous video, we have managed to install an Expo application, but we didn't end there. We have managed to run it on our Android application. As you can see, whatever that we change here and click save, it will update on this application. We are using Expo Go. Now let's dive deep. Let's get into it. So in this video, we are going to get started with React navigation. So in this Expo project, okay, we can do whatever that we want to do, but in terms of navigation, it's going to be difficult for us to use the React supplied navigation mechanism. That's why we are going to use React navigation. So let's get started with React navigation. Okay, as you can see, okay, let's just quickly read here. This is the installation: npm install react native react navigation / react native. Let's quickly do that. Okay, now the project is already running, as you can see, because by this QR code. And then what we need to do, we need to come to the command line in Windows, press Ctrl C to cancel the running application, and then Ctrl V to paste this command as it is. Now we are installing React navigation. Okay, while it's installing, let's just go back to the documentation. Why am I doing things this way? Referring to the documentation, as a developer, you must fall in love with the documentation, whether you are doing a pure React or React Native or shared CN or whatever library. The best practice and the best way to do things, go to the documentation and read step by step. The good news is you don't even have to memorize these steps. Why? Because tomorrow this might change. As you can see, now we are on version 6, or I'm in version 6. There is also version 7, but that is not something to write a story about, or we can even like change to this. That is not much of a problem. Okay, let's continue. Okay, as you can see, okay, let's see, the installation is different. React navigation next. Okay, just for simplicity, let's just stick to version 6. Okay, because we are all about the fundamentals. Okay, now we were here, we were done with this. Let's just quickly check how far it is. Okay, it is finished. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's see what they are saying about the Expo project. Okay, installing dependencies into an Expo managed project. This means that we have to install the dependencies. Okay, let's just copy this and then come back here, Control paste, and then run it. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's easy. It's copy and paste. This is a very powerful library. In this series, I'm going to teach you the concept and the fundamentals of the library, including customizing its own types with TypeScript. So what we are going to do now, I think we are done with the most part. Let's just scroll down and see installing dependencies. Okay, let's go down, wrapping with the navigation. Okay, it's not much of a problem. Let's just continue. Okay, let's just click here to Hello React navigation. Okay, in the meantime, while we are reading the documentation, I'm just going to run the project. Okay, how do I run it? With npx expo start. Okay, so while it's running, let's go back to the documentation. Okay, as you can see, let's just go back, install React Native Stack. Okay, now we need to install the React Native Stack Navigator. Okay, my apologies about that. Let's just press Ctrl C here. Okay, and then let's just copy this. Okay, copy and come back here. Okay, let's cancel this. and then copy and paste, guys, and then let's leave it while it's installing. Okay, scroll down. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, I think we are done. It's supplying us with the code. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are done installing everything that we were supposed to install. In the next video, we are going to get into this code, copy and paste it. I am going to explain in detail what's going on here. So in the next video, we are going to move from one screen to another. Let's just quickly check if everything has been installed. As you can see, guys, I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. If you feel like this video has added value into your overall understanding of React Native Expo and even React navigation, please do me a favor, go to my channel and hit that subscribe button. I've got a 10-hour coaching course where you can click here for a discovery call. This is where we are going to discuss your own pain point. Instead of creating a course that has got 50 videos, where there's in that 50 video, the only video that gives you the value is the first two. So I've got a 10-hour coaching course. In this 10-hour coaching course, I solve your pain point depending on where you are in terms of technology. I don't have a one size fits all. I deal with your own unique problem. This is Coded Design. Matthew Msingati signing out. Let's code badly with pride. See you on the next one.